Hey guys, welcome. In this video, our destination is Phi Phi Island, the loveliest and the craziest island in Thailand. We have started our journey from Delhi. After having 4 hours of journey with Indigo, we landed to Phuket International Airport early in the morning. After landing, the first step is to straight away to the visa on arrival counter and going through their immigration counter. For us, it takes near about 2 hours. And from counter, you will get a coupon of entry. Guys, don't throw it or lose it because it's mandatory to return back at the time of exit from Thailand. पर आवर शेड्यूल हम लोग एयरपोर्ट से डायरेक्टली निकल पड़े राजादा पियर के लिए, जहाँ से हम लोगों को फेरी मिलेगा फिफी जाने के लिए। ऐसे तो बहुत सारा फेरी कंपनीज है जो आप ऑनलाइन बुक कर सकते हैं। फेरी और स्पीड बोट 2 ऑप्शंस ही है, आप जो चूज करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं। थाईलैंड का फ्लैग को सामने रख के नीला पानी का मज़ा लेते लेते 90 मिनट्स फेरी राइड्स के बाद हम लोग पहुंच गए को फिफी डॉन, जो हम लोगों का फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन है। इफ़ यू लुक इनटू द राइट साइड यू कैन सी द कोफी ले and in the left side it's Kofi Don, but our first destination where we are going to stay is Kofi Don. We spent 3 days in Phi Phi. Booking links are given in the description box, and if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos. Do share, like and comment to it. There are 4 main attractions that we enjoyed a lot, that are pool party in Ibiza House, trek to Viewpoint 1 and 2, Blanco boat tour and spectacular fire shows. Right now we are on amazing Blanco boat to explore the surroundings of the Kofi Lake. It's actually a 6-hour trip starting from 1 PM to 7 PM, which includes lots of places like Monkey Beach, Maya Way, Viking Cave, etc. Also some fun activities like jumping from boat, kayaking, snorkeling, etc. And it also includes dinner on the beach with sunset. Apart from mobile and camera, don't carry any bag, food or drinks in Monkey Beach. So we came to the end of our video. We have visited Thailand on February just before the lockdown. Best time to visit is November to February as it is considered as cool season in Thailand. Thanks for watching.